Hello guys, so today's vlog, join me as I put all my DSLR CCD collection, and I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna tell you why I keep collecting these all DSLR cameras. So guys, the beauty of CCD cameras is that it provides a low noise, high quality image and high pixelated resolution. The CCD image appear darker and more cinematic, plus the lower resolution makes the image softer, less sturdy, and more film-like. So, ayan guys, I have here my three DSLR CCD cameras. First, I have the Fujifilm S5 Pro. Yeah, it's 6 megapixel. Also, I have the Fujifilm S2 Pro and the new one, which is the Pentax K10 and 10 megapixel. So, all this camera guys is CCD. Again, why I'm collecting CCD camera first, uh, I like the colors from the CCD, uh, especially if you use also a vintage lens plus CCD, then I think it's perfect. Softer and the color is like more pop up compared for CMOS. And yeah, I like the color guys of the CCD. And second, of the price and availability of these lenses of the CCD camera. So there is a tons of lenses that you can buy now for a cheaper version, cheaper price compared for mirrorless camera now. For example, the S5 and S2 Pro, which is Nikon mount. So I can buy Nikon mount lens with a cheaper price. And you can buy also adapter. I have adapter here, and I have vintage lens, which is M42 mount. And yan guys. Also for the Pentax, you can use a vintage lens from the Pentax. And yan. So again, my second reason why I take DSLR CCD cameras is the price. And also the ergonomics. Number three, ergonomics. I like the how you handle the DSLR. So I miss using the DSLR. Yan. All this chunky and big, like good in your hand. So, yeah. Also, the function, the details, the function of the camera. You have only minimal buttons to use compared for mirrorless camera. You have tons of manuals or something. I like to have a very simple but yeah, simple and easy um, settings or menus from the cameras. See, for example, this S2 Pro, I have a very minimal buttons. And guys, that's why I'm keep collecting um, CCD cameras, DSLR CCD cameras. I have also compact CCD cameras. So let's try that in a different vlog. So again, guys, this is my CCD camera collection from DSLR. So one day, maybe we'll grow this collection and let's see. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. I just want you to share the ideas of DSLR CCD camera. So most of the time this is 10 megapixel down from 10, 6, 4, the megapixel of this camera. So and guys, just comment if you have already a CCD, if you use DSLR CCD, and how's the feel of having a DSLR CCD in 2024. So yeah, this one is look like the Nikon D200, by the way, the S5 Pro. So again, some of the DSLR CCD camera is some of them is very hard to find, and yeah, if you're lucky, if you get one with a good condition. So yeah, if you can find good condition with a good price, and again, reason number four is the price. It's more cheaper compared for the CMOS DSLR, which is a 5D or newer version. So again, guys, my first reason, I like the color of the pictures, picture quality. I like the picture quality. It's like more vintage look, especially if you have a vintage lens. And then second is the ergonomics, how you handle. Third is the lenses. And fourth is the price of this lens. So, yan guys. I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check DSLR cameras, but not CCD, we have CMOS already, 5D Mark IV, Nikon D850. You can check to our mega store, AAB World mega store. So we have used camera there and in good condition. So yeah, just check our www.abworld.com, and also belongs to the marketplace. So just check and you will see some DSLR camera. So yeah guys, or if you want to check our mirrorless camera and all new model cameras, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.